Omurimo gwo gukora enguuto za maramu eziriho oburingwa bwa kilomita 7 na n'obucweka bushatu muri district ya KIKUUBE gushagikirwe banka y'ensi yoona ahansi y'entebeekanisa egenderire kutunguura ekyanga kya mwitanzige erikwetwa Albertine Region Sustainable Development Project.
Enguuto niziza kutwaraho obuhumbi bw'esente 15.9.
Hata abantu baitu mungu bali balimi bajati bali babaserereza buli ba middlemen ne bagenda babagula ebicholi ne babagula ebihimba ne babagula omucheri ne babaziniriza abo enguudo kubazibi batate enguudo zino zirakorwa zikahuwa abalimi baitu nabakuja kwekoma omulimo basokuleta ebirimo byabo omukatale batunge sente zikiraho barwanisa obunaku.
Enguuto ezirikuza kukorwa maramo y'omutindo n'orwa Kinongozi Kihabwemi Kigaya oriho oburingwa bwa kilomita 13 na n'obutonyezo 95 orundi n'orwa Kabanyansi Masaija Mukuru oriho oburingwa bwa kilomita 12 n'obutonyezo 4 hamwe n'orwa Kigaya Kitundura KIKUUBE oriho oburingwa bwa kilomita 14 na n'obutonyezo 85 omuzindi n'orwa Kiziramfumbi Kicankanya Ruhunga oriho oburingwa bwa kilomita 16 hamwe n'orwa Bukinda Nguse oriho oburingwa bwa kilomita 5 n'obutonyezo 2 na n'orwa Kyangwari Tontema Mahamba oriho oburingwa bwa kilomita 7 na n'obutonyezo 3.
Egi project ni project etine ekibakweta compensation. So mwena abantu ntwenda tukwatanise aha project okwera atambure na nokwera korwe twena tube tujinemo.
This is going to be upgraded to a gravel road. So when you come to you people asking for gravel from you, please cooperate with us.
We have experienced challenges by these contractors when we deploy. They are this road furniture for safety. You find the wananchi come and pick the things. They are wooden and then they are colored and all the things. I think they take them either for making what furniture. And we put these guys on task that the things should be on the road. We shall see them being brought to the road, but after 1 week they say they have taken away. We have given them a limit, maybe 200. When they bring 200, they will tell us the wananchi have what? Have stolen. Now when they steal, it becomes difficult for us to pester them again to give us more what? More road furniture. So that's why I want you, the local leaders, when you reach out to your community, to bring this information to the public.
Abana baitu bagenda kutunga emirimo kandi tugenda n'okulibata kurungi.
Itwe tuli balimi Kyangwali sub county tuli bantu abalima muno kandi abeza muno. So obutuba n'enguudo ezitali nungi, enguudo zibi, of course our farmers suffers.
Twenda ngo enguuto zikorwe waza kuhika ku 12 zibe zahwire abantu bashimirwa bazikozese.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.